Hello, hello. How's it going, everyone? Hope everything's going all right. Sorry if my voice still sounds a little sick. Was under the weather for last week. I'm doing better today, but my nose is still a little clogged. So occasionally, it's getting there. Let's see. I actually got a plan for today, so let me open up my Obsidian Vault here. I've gone through and made a whole bunch of notes on various different videos in a YouTube playlist I found about making voxels. Videos made by Maker Tech. I'll say pretty good videos. I learned a lot about working with voxels through it. I've only gotten up to talking about voxel chunking, but I'll go through more of them at some point here. But made a whole bunch of good notes, and it gives me a place to start. So yeah, start with going through stuff in the first video, and then start with basically the least optimized thing, and then I'll go from there and get slowly more optimized. So yeah, get a start on making a voxel terrain system, and then see how we want to adjust it to go from there. Open up Godot. At least I have an actual direction to go today. Have a plan. Right, this is where we start off. Okay. So, yep, okay. Start by making the first cube. Okay. We're again, the very first thing will be like the least efficient thing, but I'll start from how they started in those videos, just to make sure I have a good understanding of how it all works. Now let me just do this. No, wait. Whoop. Folder. Voxel dev. Create a temporary folder here just for all the files for the voxel development. Whoops. Okay. Okay. I'm probably not going to need this area anymore. Oh, this should. Oops. There we go. Oh, of course, there's no camera or anything. Actually, I'm actually gonna first go ahead and make adjustments to my player to add a flying mode. Ooh. Input it. That's there. I'm gonna make it be F for now, just for quick on and off. Action. Whoops. Boop equals not flying. There we go. That'll set it to option whatever it is. Okay. And then okay. I only want to apply gravity if not flying. If not flying. Give that a shot here. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's not working. Okay, why wasn't that working? I should have stopped falling. Oh, okay. It's because I'm not holding it. Selection. Let me check these real quick. Okay, let's give that a shot. There we go. But now I can't go up. It's because of how I'm doing this. Sorry for my nose. I want to take a quick look at the built-in template. Oh, of course I'm not gonna see the template there for it there. Hey Diginanigans, how's it going? Hope everything's going well. Please, okay, what's the template here look like? Okay. Not not doing too bad. How things going for me? Yeah, they're going all right. Getting over a little bit of a cold I was having, but so forgive me if my nose is making me sound bad right now. But just actually gonna be getting a start on Voxels today. I got a bunch of notes from that video playlist I shared in the Discord. So I actually got something to start on today. And I'm just starting with, right now, actually getting a better character script, starting to get a god mode, for lack of a better word, being able to fly around, since sometimes there won't be collisions. So, and then actually getting a start on voxels, which I'm just gonna go through with what they made in the first video, and then so it'll be like basically the least efficient thing to start out, but it'll give me a good understanding, and then we'll get more and more optimized from there. So that's the plan for, well, not just today. It's probably gonna be a few streams of doing this. Sorry. And I'm looking at just adjusting the movement template here for the player. Yeah. I might just do that for now. I'm probably gonna be completely remaking it later on anyways, so remaking the player code. Then let me test it to see. Right, I need to get mouse looking going anyways. And change these to left, right, do I not have it up? I thought I had it up. Forward, backward. Okay, that would be why. You're mostly just cleaning up some of the textures right now, and you're trying to make some nicer rocky dirt texture. Before I started stream, I saw your post in Discord. It's looking pretty good. That dirt's looking pretty dirty. I mean, how else would you describe it? Okay, that forward. Oh, okay. That would be because, probably because, this. Notice Godot is doing some trickery with detecting normal maps, and it sounds like they are doing more behind the scenes than what they are being transparent about. Uh-oh. Well, at least you're hopefully something you can work around enough, and or hopefully get whatever it is gets fixed. Okay, maybe I'm not facing the right way now. Yeah, there we go. Hey, and there's a jump too. Okay. Right, I'm gonna have to get. Oh, I deleted that. Real quick. Undo all that just so I can. I guess I just need this. Yeah, okay. And now redo. There we go. There's a flag when you're importing images that if it detects the texture is being used for 3D and it's being used as a normal map, it throws away the blue channel in images to reduce VRAM a bit. Huh. But if you manually disable it, it just ignores the blue channel, and just ignoring blue channel manually, it comes out looking like garbage. Huh. Well, hopefully you can figure out whatever you need to. I don't know enough yet to be able to help you much with that. Do you want to repurpose Red Channel? Sorry, I don't know enough to help out with that. I mean, I'm just getting started learning about voxels. You're more likely to help me out with anything than I'm able to help you out. Wish I could, though. Eventually I'll get there, I think. Okay. Right, what was I needing now? Mouse looking. Camera. Var equals 3D equals camera. Okay. There we go. And then ready. You're thinking that they're keeping track of the fact that it's being used as a normal map and then does additional math and shares it, trying to recalculate what the blue should be. I don't think there's a trivial way you can keep the functionality of those normal maps while being able to use the red channel. Honestly, yeah, it makes sense. I mean, that does kind of make sense. They're just kind of estimating what the blue channel would be based on the other two. What was I doing already again? Oh, right. Mouse mode equals mouse mode captured, and then press. Wait, implement. Is there just a nope? It's implement event action. If event dot is pressed. There we go. Excuse me. Mouse mode Mouse mode visible, I think. Nope. The wrong mouse mode. Okay. Stop it. Mouse mode. I mean, it should be visible. Wait, it should be visible. Let me. Come on. Wait, what? There we go. That's what I meant to do. Oh, it's not. Here. Oops. Will that work now? There we go. Okay. There we go. I'm looking around and then I'm not. Okay. There we go. Now to add in a flying mode. Pressed. Oh, sorry. 1 second. There we go. Flying mode. Flying equals not flying. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to occasionally do that with the way my nose is. Hopefully by the next stream I'll be doing even better. I wanted to stream earlier in the week, but no, that didn't happen because of how getting over the sickness. It hit me kind of during the live stream last Friday, my last live stream. Okay, that's here. How do I want to do this? So I need to not calculate gravity, but then I'm also going to want to set, just since I don't have gravity, just set velocity to 0 too. Oh, okay. And not flying. Guess we're here, I'll just do that. And then down here, if flying velocity equals, oh wait a minute, no, I want if flying and no input. So I guess actually try this, just go else velocity equals vector 2. Wait, velocity is a vector 3, right? Yeah, 3. Try that. There we go. Right. And then I'm gonna just need everything times speed. Let me just see how badly these will damage it. Actually, I might just move towards need to be, yeah, it needs to be afloat. Okay. I'll just add in the other one. Whoa. Okay, you know what? Actually, there we go. Man time. There we go. Number bot. There we go. Try that. Okay, that did not work. What did I do? 1 second. No, they went through this in a video, so let me look at my notes here. Okay. Yeah, that's what they did. Let me just make sure that's not being the issue. Okay, I don't know. Let me just make sure I'm not. This isn't it. I don't want any jump. Actually, let me also, real quick, just add that in there. Wait, yeah, I'm not even. Yeah, no, that's the issue. I need this for some of it, and then I need this if I'm flying. If not flying. Else. There we go, let's try that. Oh, I'm messing with this too. Gravity by having this one. But those can be the same. Wait. Yeah, I'm actually no, yeah, I'm setting. Yeah, okay, no, here. I can move it, that part. To here, and then turn that off, and then if flying, if not flying. Else. Velocity equals vector 3. There we go. Now I think I should have a flying mode, normal mode, and now none of my movement is moving. So if I am flying, it's just flying that. Yeah. Oh, come on, why is it not now? Yeah, that shouldn't be what it was. Whoa. Okay. You know, maybe I actually just because I want to be able to go up and down, hence why I need to sorry if I'm not being super vocal here. I'm trying. It's been a week since streaming. I want to stream more often, but that just hasn't worked out so far. Okay, so I am flying. I'm just not able to go up and down right now. Let me try just... Right, there's not going to be any direction out why. So maybe I'll just add a couple more to go up and down. I did actually just today order a camera and a green screen. So sooner than later I'll be able to start putting myself into the stream. So I'm not just the blank screen, you know? So don't know quite how long it'll take me to set up and get looking good or anything, but soon-ish. You're sort of half paying attention right now. No worries, Diginagans. No worries. I mean, I'm only sort of half paying attention right now, too. I'm just gonna do it like this. Add in a couple of flying up, flying down. Oh, there is. It is a vector 3. Can I just... just insert it into here. Yeah, this player character is just going to be rough for a while. Eventually I'll redo it and get something better, but right now I just need his working. Okay. Wait, there was one that I had used, but didn't have to be all of them. Can I only put 2 in here? I need up and down. Down. No. Wait, what did I use before? I know there's something I used. I gotta look through here, see if I can... Axis, yes, that's what I used. Okay. Down. Up. And then in here, put... Up, down, there. And see if that works. Whoa, that one didn't work. Okay. Here, let me just try this. And if flying, add in Y only if flying. Okay. Okay, now I can go up and down and move around. I got flying working. There we go. So that'll be enough for the player for now. Add the player into the world here. Move the player out a bit there. I am actually going to delete this whole test area. No need for it. And then select current. Okay. Oh, whoops. Let me add environment sound scene. Whoops. There we go. Ooh. There we go. First voxel. Just a basic cube. I don't need player open anymore. actually. let me export this just so I can easily go here, turn on flying. There we go. So now I'm flying by default. Awesome. I just want to be facing the cube. There we go. Okay, now to actually work on the voxels. Oh wow, it's been 45 minutes already? Yeah, this is definitely going to be a few streams here. Yeah, just kind of looking through my notes now. Could have written a bit more here, I think. Okay. Yeah, each one will have one, so. World, yep. So I'm gonna need, I'm gonna move this up a bit. There we go. I'm ready. I'm gonna need a reference to the cube. Cube. Let me actually just rename it to cube. There we go. All caps. There we go. Then just make an array. Right. It's actually going to be an array of arrays, won't it? It's been a few days since I looked through the videos, and for this first video, I didn't necessarily make the greatest notes, but once I got farther through videos, my notes were definitely getting longer. Yeah, okay, let's see here. World data. Array. But I want it to be like an array of arrays. Well, let me do that here. Okay. Ready. Generate world. World. Oh, there we go. It sounds like Taylor, are you afraid to combine your normal map and metalness texture in Godot? You need to manually handle the shaders yourself. More math to figure out. Well, good luck to shenanigans. At least it sounds like there's a way that you should be able to. It just means making up your own thing. As long as there's a way, right? Okay. So yeah, each one will be the X, Y, and Z positions in the world. Maybe? No, wait, no, that doesn't feel right. No, this was supposed to be a list. Let me just get... You likely won't save any RAM in the end, but a few less files to create and it'll take up less hard drive space. I'm sure you'll figure out a way to save some VRAM. Hey Rhiannon, how's it going? Hope everything's going alright. Actually getting a start on putting some voxels in the game. One step at a time. Went through some videos, got a whole bunch of notes on some videos, so start with the first video and with the least optimized thing, and then we'll go through and make it more optimized. Yeah, I can start somewhere, right? One second. There we go, had a cough. Oh, I wish I made better notes on this first video. But figuring a lot of it out myself will also keep me from getting stuck with just the copying the tutorials and actually figuring out on my own too. So you've been going through those Maker Tech videos also? Yeah, they're actually really good. Yeah, I really like them. I only so far have got up to the chunks and threads one in this playlist for voxel development, but I'll be going through more eventually. But yeah, Maker Tech, pretty good videos. What was I doing now? Okay, yes. Word. Whoa, wrong way. Wrong one. Var world size equals vector 3. So now I can set the world size here. Can I have it be an int specifically? No, okay. At least not that way. Actually, I might not need an array yet. Yeah, eventually I'll need plenty of arrays. In X for Y in world size dot Y for Z in world size dot Z. Or I guess but good old Y is up. So I mean, that one doesn't matter too much, I guess. Print X, Y, and Z. Y didn't print a thing. Right, that's because the world size is 0. That's why I didn't print a thing. And it still didn't print a thing. Wait, what? There we go. Okay, yep, cycling through all of them now. So, if and if we'll just go with it's bigger than 0.5. Then put cube var new cube equals cube dot instance. No. Cube dot why is my brain not want to work here? Create no. One second here. For some reason my brain does not want to work. Remember how to create an instance. Of all things. Oh, right, that needed to be a scene. That'll make it easier, I guess. So let me just delete that one. No more cube. Whoop, wrong node type. Might as well make it be box right away. Cube. And then Box 3D. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. No, this isn't gonna work. I need it to be scene. Now that'll let me. There we go. Yeah, I put the right one, didn't I? I want cube. And then world size is going to be the same all the time, so set that. Okay, I know there's a. There we go. Okay, that's how I do that. Cool. Our new cube. New kid. Cube. Man, my fingers aren't wanting to type. They never do. Instantiate. New cube dot session. Oh. Wait, what? There's no kind of position yet. Is that because it's not a child yet? Self. Well, let's hear. Let's just run this and see what we got. Nothing. Good learning experience, at least. Oh, it has no material either. Let me give it something here. Okay, that wasn't an issue. Size is 1 by 1 by 1. I was doing this backwards, wasn't I? There's still no cubes. It's not even looping through them. Why not? Oh, because it's set back to what it set them back. Because I changed it, of course. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's not going through all of them. I was, yeah, I should have looked at that too. The remote tab. Especially since I'm not actually closing the game when I release that. Yeah, I should really. Actually, yeah, and here's a good. Okay, I should be able to set that. But yeah, I could have easily just looked at that instead of printing all this out, but oh well. Hindsight's 2020, huh? Why am I getting so stuck on this when I know I'm not even gonna be doing this, using this much more. Let's see here. Maybe. Right, because it's just going by packed scene. Right. Okay, that makes sense. So it's not gonna let me do it that way though. Wait, if I can I just is there just a like can I just oh. Yeah. I'm ready. Just hit. I could just duplicate. Yeah, well, that'll just be easier, won't it? Why was I going through that? There's still no position, no. Oh, position. There we go. equals vector 3 x, y, and z. Okay, that'll. I don't know why I was going through all that. There we go. I have a feeling this is gonna end up just working. Oh, look at that. It just worked. Cubes. There be cubes. Random cubes. Let me adjust the world size. The first voxels. There we go. Okay, yeah, no, I don't need that. Cubes. And it'll only get better from that here. If there was, but now I could try using a different random generator instead of just randef. I could try using the fast noise light and it should look a bit better too. So for that, I actually need to do a bit more too for this. Remember, random gen equals fast noise light. Yeah, let me just check here. Do I need to new? Yep. Okay. Then there's get noise 3D. Wait, that's not. Oh, there it is. Right, okay. So, get noise. Nope, I need a friend. Get noise 3D. And then it can be X, Y, Z. See how this looks. It's right. I just need to check the value. 2, 0. It's -1 to 1. So, and I have it inverted. Huh. And it looks like it's on its side. But yeah, start. Woo. What's making it on its side though? Oh, you know what? Let me switch around to Z. You know why? Whoa! I don't want it to be that. There we go. Nope, still outside. I don't know, maybe it's not, it just feels like it is. Well, that wouldn't be figured out some other time. I'm gonna try look at a larger world. Ooh, yep, definitely unoptimal. It's getting little pockets, that's what it is. So it does return from -1 to 1. What do I want it to be? -0.5. Give that a shot. Wow, that is chugging. Okay, let me try not -0.5. Woo, there we go. That's a little more interesting. Let me try like 0.1. Yeah, I don't know why I'm bothering looking at this. I'm just having fun experimenting here. So yeah, this is definitely not how it's gonna end up being, but oof, that is rough. That looks pretty good, at least. For now. Now let me enable collision. And I actually want to turn this one invisible. Because I don't want this one in the middle to be seen. For now. Simple. Is true. Enable collision. Enable collision. Let's see here. Whoop. Use collision. It was a use collision. Collision equals true. Yep, there we go. So now I can run around. Whoa, those ones didn't get collision for some reason. Cool. The very basics of voxels. How long have I? 18. At this point, I'm kind of gonna. I think I'll stay alive until. At least, wait. Yeah, till digital streaming if he is today. At least that's my plan. What do I want to start on the next set? Oh, that's first person. Actually, yeah, I do kind of want to play around with the profiler here too. A little bit. Since I am definitely getting hitches. Whoa. Oh. Well, that's gonna mess with it a bit, but yeah, that was definitely the generating right there. Yeah, that is definitely not great. Okay, what do I want to do now? I do have more that I can work on that is definitely going to make it a lot more performant. That I don't know that that's a great idea to start that right this moment. I think that'll be better for our new stream. The next one. Getting closer to being done anyways. Anything can improve about this right now? You know, let's see here. How does it handle? Just gonna play around a bit here now. Well, not 74, I wanted 64. Try that. Chug. Oh, still loading. Uh-oh. Is it gonna? And I crashed, apparently. Oh. Come on. Oh, it might have actually hit it. Oh, wow. Yeah, it definitely doesn't do well with even slightly larger areas. Just tossed a random game idea. It was work on shopping in the Discord. Came to fruition from a satire named To Kill a Mockingbird. A Mockingbird. I'll have to look at that in a bit. But To Kill a Mockingbird, what a nice play on words there. Oh, I crashed Godot. We're all... Uh-oh. Maybe I shouldn't have doubled the size of the world. Definitely not performant the slightest. Uh-oh. There we go. That took a minute. Okay, where are we? Should I try it again? Just so I can see here, let me actually print new cube equals number. I want to see the cube count. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, why am I doing that again? So yeah, I could just from a, oh yeah, no, it's just not. I just killed it. Yeah, cool. Does appear to be working at least. Definitely a ton more to improve. Which I got plenty of notes on how to. Why does that confuses me though? Why over here there's absolutely no collision? I mean, it doesn't. I don't really need to fix it right now because basically even the very next video is changing quite a bit. Like, this is not all going to be used, but I am confused on why it's just dropping it out. Oh, okay. That's probably why. Maximum number of buys and projects. Yeah, okay. I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about that right now. Yeah, that's pretty good timing. Digital, yeah, just starts. It's live, so in a minute I'll probably be just right over there. So I got what I wanted today. Next stream we'll be looking into seeing how well the multi-mesh instance all works. Yeah, that's multi-mesh is next, but then after that we're moving to array mesh and actually going more into the actually positioning the vertices themselves and everything too. So got a lot to learn here. So I wasn't too worried about how the things with the cube worked out because we'll be going to directly handling the vertices, setting them up and everything. So yeah, multi-mesh next though, one step at a time, and also having to be multicolored. But yeah, so I think at this point I'm gonna figure out how to raid here, and we'll just head over to Dave's live stream. There we go. If that sounds all right to everyone else. Give me just 1 second. There we go. I think we're raiding over. There we are. Okay, is it? There we're okay. Give me 1 second. There we go. Have a good day, everyone. I think we're right now. I guess I could have changed the time a bit, but hope everything goes well. Have a good day.